Success belongs to those who persevere in the face of challenges. Achieving the seemingly impossible is a matter of persistence. The key to transforming the world is through the formidable weapon of education. Triumph over fear is not the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome it. Triumphing over adversity defines true victory in life. Our character is shaped by our thoughts and perceptions. Life unfolds unexpectedly, often contrary to our plans. The future belongs to those who passionately pursue their dreams. True success lies in the resilience to persist, not in the finality of achievements. Our ability to shape the future is constrained only by our present uncertainties. Celebrate the positive moments rather than lamenting their conclusion. Effort is wasted on opportunities not pursued. In the end, our memories focus not on adversaries' words, but on friends' silence. Life's essence is often lost in our inclination towards complexity. The purpose of life is to seek happiness through one's actions. Success is not just achievement, but also the value one brings to others. Endless are the universe and human ignorance. My uncertainty lies in the universe. Failures are not setbacks, but discoveries of paths that don't lead to success. Great work stems from a profound love for what one does. If understanding cannot be expressed simply, it may be insufficient. Mistakes are inevitable for those who explore the unknown. Life is lived fully in one iteration, embracing a well-lived existence. Success involves navigating setbacks with undiminished enthusiasm. True wealth is found in contentment with modest means. Life is a collection of moments amidst our carefully crafted plans. Happiness originates from one's own actions. Retaliation is best expressed through actions opposite to those who wronged you. Success often finds those deeply engrossed in their pursuits, not actively seeking it. The journey deemed impossible is the one left uninitiated. Survival favors adaptability to change over strength or intelligence. Leadership is about serving the people, not prophesying. Let freedom flourish, a glorious human achievement never ending. True leaders engage in open debate, emerging stronger with mutual understanding. Generosity of spirit helps us outgrow past hatred and conflicts. Communication in one's language reaches the heart more effectively. Judge resilience by the number of times one rises after falling. A society's soul is revealed in how it treats its children. A powerful combination, a good head and a good heart. Strive to change the world and make a positive difference. After overcoming one challenge, more await in the journey of life. Freedom is not only breaking chains, but respecting others' freedom. Lead by empowering others, letting them believe they are in front. Legal classification made me a criminal for my beliefs, not actions. Constructing and making peace is more challenging and heroic than destruction. Persistence turns the seemingly impossible into an achievable reality. Goodness is a flame within that can be concealed but never extinguished. Continuous effort defines saintliness for one who persists. Peacemaking involves working with your enemy, transforming them into a partner. Courage is not the absence of fear, but overcoming it. Returning to an unchanged place reveals personal transformation. Optimism is inherent, whether from nature or nurture. Shared compassion turns common suffering into hope for the future. The journey to freedom is long, with more hills to climb. Respecting human rights upholds the essence of humanity. Achieving freedom requires navigating through challenging experiences. True glory lies in rising every time one falls. Harboring resentment is self-destructive. Giving one's time and energy without expecting anything in return is a priceless gift. Our unity, not our diversity, defines us.